In this short video, I'll show you how to correctly change the air filter. I start by loosening the screws on the air filter cover using a cordless driver. That makes the process much faster and easier. After removing the lead, I unclip the small locking pin and take out the old filter. Inside the airbox, you can clearly see dust, sand, and debris built up over time. It really needs a proper clean. I use a vacuum cleaner to remove all that dirt so the new filter can seal perfectly. When I try to fit the new one, it doesn't sit in place because the rubber edge is completely dry. To fix that, I spray a light layer of lubricant on the rubber seal and along the airbox surface. Now the filter slides in smoothly and locks in perfectly. Then I reinstall the cover and tighten all the screws again with the cordless driver. Clean, quick, and effective. Another easy fix. For more repair and maintenance videos, check out my channel.